Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.